In a world where purity often gets lost in the noise of claims, one brand is quietly redefining trust through transparency. This is not just about oil. It's about a movement towards health, honesty and tradition. Welcome to the story of PeanutJi, where purity meets precision. Here, nature's golden gift, peanuts, is transformed into excellence through a blend of modern technology and purity. Only G20 grade groundnut crops make it to our factory. A conscious choice for consistent quality. Each lot is lab tested before entering the oil extraction process. The peanuts undergo 11 stages of cleaning, including decortication and destoning, removing husk, stones and impurities, ensuring only the purest kernels proceed. Our unit is equipped with size grading machinery and advanced gravity separation. State-of-the-art color sorting machines further eliminate every imperfection, refining each batch to perfection. At PeanutJi, only the kernels are used to extract filtered oil. Just uncompromised quality at the core of every drop. From sorting to packaging, our facility remains touch-free, eliminating any scope for contamination. Every bottle you receive is bacteria-free and impurity-free. We are ISO 22000-2018 certified, HACCP compliant and approved by the US FDA, an assurance that every bottle delivers freshness, safety and international standards. Powered by solar energy, our plant is built for a greener tomorrow. Every 15 kg tin contains pure, unblended groundnut oil. Exactly 15 kg, nothing else. That's our promise. PeanutJi also crafts delicious, nutritious peanut butter made from premium roasted groundnuts, available in classic and choco, creamy and crunchy. It's a guilt-free delight for every age. High in protein, free from cholesterol and artificial flavors. It's a choice that health-conscious families trust and love. Even during fasting, our raw and roasted peanuts offer taste with nutrition. Each batch matches export-grade standards. Our parent company, Fishfa Agri Limited, has proudly been exporting premium quality groundnuts to more than 25 countries for the past 12 years, while also catering to corporate food supply chains across India. At PeanutJi, we believe where there is taste and health, there must be zero compromise on quality. Order now from our website www.peanutji.com, Amazon, Blinkit, Flipkart, or find us at your nearest store. PeanutJi, taste and health together. Join the PeanutJi family today.